Greetings, students. Beta Class 7. We are discussing Chapter 3 of Civics, that is, what how the state government works. So, yesterday or in the previous class, we have discussed about the debate in a parliament, in the state legislative assembly. Then, after, we also discussed that there was a press conference outside the this assembly, and the health minister he addresses the conference, and he uh, told the media men about the policies and programs of the government, and he tried to defend the functioning of the government. So next, let's start the next page, that is page number 37. So please see, government smells the garbage. So during the last few weeks there have been many deaths in some districts of our state. There has been a strong reaction that the government has not taken this seriously. The health minister explained today at a press conference that his government has asked all the collectors and chief medical officers to take urgent measures. The most important problem is that of drinking water. The minister said that they uh, intend to supply drinking water to every village through tanker trucks. The chief minister has promised funds for this work. They also plan to start a campaign to inform people about the steps that can be taken to prevent diarrhea. When a reporter asked him as to what steps are being taken to see that garbage that has been lying around for months is quickly collected, the chief minister said that he would look into this. So this is a press report from one of the newspapers. So we discussed that there was a press conference, and from one of the newspapers, this is the reports. This is how a report is written. So it is written that there was a press conference, and the health minister explained each and every step, whatever is doing, and what kind of meetings are being taken, how the medical officers, CMOs, are asked to take needed steps, and how this problem of water supply will be solved. And then the chief minister, he also promised some funds for this work. And they are also, when they were asked about the heaps of garbage around, then the chief minister said that they are looking that he would look into the matter. Next, Hanji, we started during the next week, the chief minister and the minister for health visited Patalpuram district. They went to visit the families who had lost their relatives, and also visited people in the hospitals. The government announced a compensation for the families. The chief minister also said that he thought the problem was not only one of sanitation but also of a lack of clean drinking water. He said that a high level inquiry committee will be asked to look into the matter, or look into the needs of the district to provide sanitation facilities, and would request the Minister for Public Works to take care of the needs of proper water supply in the region. So these are some of the promises made by the this chief minister, that he said that the area officers or the ministers, they will be asked to take needed steps, and that how to provide clean drinking water to the people, so that this problem of diarrhea can be solved. And the people, they will be given proper sanitation facilities, and the proper water supply will be there in the area. So as you saw above, the people in power, like the chief minister and the ministers, have to take action. They do so through various departments like the Public Works Department, the Agriculture Department, the Health Department, the Education Department, and so on. Means there are so many departments. So for each sphere, there is one separate department, and the government it works through these departments. So all these departments help in the functioning of the government. They also have to answer questions that are asked in the legislative assembly. So but if the opposition asks a question related to the functions of the government, then they have to answer the questions and convince people asking the question that proper steps are being taken. Means they are to satisfy the people who are asking questions. At the same time, newspapers and the media widely discuss the issue, and the government has to respond, for example, by holding the press conference. Yes, so we know that in today's world, social media and this media, it is very important tool in the hands of the people and in the hands of government even. Here, when it was a serious problem, the spread of disease and diarrhea and shortage of clean drinking water, people falling ill, and no medical facilities. In such a situation, the health minister he had to answer. He answered all the questions of the opposition party, and after the long discussion in the legislative assembly, then he addressed a meeting with the press, means a press conference. Then he also told the people, the reporters, about the steps to be taken by the government, or the steps that are being taken by the government. So in this way we see that all these departments help the government in its functioning. So in this way the government has to respond to uh, the local issues or to the demands of the common people. So holding press conference, it is one of the ways. So let's move further. The next para. The government can also decide to make new laws for the state regarding sanitation and health facilities. Means if some more laws are required, then these laws can also be formed or formulated by the state government. For example, it may make it compulsory for municipal corporations to ensure that there are adequate toilets in every urban area. It may also ensure that a health worker is appointed in every village. This act of making laws on certain issues is done in the legislative assembly of each state. The various government departments then implement these laws. Laws for the entire country are made in the parliament. You will read more about the parliament next year. So here, if the state government it required some rules, then it can make these laws. Like if some new laws are required for, like here example is given. So if it wants to uh, have some adequate toilets in the urban areas, then it can instruct for making these toilets, or instruct some kind of rules can be there, and the higher authorities of the district, they have to take care of it. And it may also ensure that the health worker is to be appointed in every village. So this step can also be taken. So all these rules, these are made or formulated in the state legislative assembly of each state, and for the entire country, wherever the rules for the entire country are required. So those rules are formulated, discussed, or implemented in the parliament. So we will study, or we will discuss about the parliament next year, means when you will be in 8th class. Okay, so in 8th class we will discuss about the functioning of the parliament. So here we are discussing about state government. So all the decisions regarding uh, the state government or a state are taken by the state government only. And if new rules are required, then the state government can make these laws and implement the laws in the uh, state. So up to here, this is sufficient, and rest of the part we will discuss tomorrow. So I think this is all for today, and the rest of the chapter we will discuss tomorrow. Have a great day.